Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the video by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left. So here we are. Now let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's move to the left and pick this button so we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the image stabilization option. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.